everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you are located in the United States, then comment done down below to be automatically entered. So the first thing that I am doing is I'm grabbing my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm just using this as an eyeshadow primer. So I just applied it all over my eyelid, and then I set it in place with some translucent powder. To highlight my brow bone, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Ombre highlighter. And I just applied it to the very high point of my brow bone. And then the palette that I went in with today is the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. This is the original Jaclyn Hill palette. And I thought I would pull it out of my drawer, but it is very dirty because I use it all the time for just going out and pretty much everyday makeup. So the first shade that I went in with is this light brown mauve shade, and I just put that shade in my crease with a fluffy blending brush, just going in back and forth motions. Next, I went in with this matte teal eyeshadow, and I just picked it up with a defined angled brush, and I started to map out where I want to add definition in my crease. So I put the line a little bit above my actual crease so that it frames my eye socket versus my crease, if that makes sense. And I just rounded it out when I got to the outer corner. And then I went back into that teal shade with a fluffier brush just to really blend out the edges and to smoke it out just a little bit more. And then I wanted to add depth even more in the outer corner, so I just grabbed this dark green matte eyeshadow. It's almost a black, but it does have a green undertone to it, and I just applied it to the outer portion of the crease with a really small defined angled brush once again. And then I went back into that teal shade just to really blend that line out to make sure that there are no harsh edges. And then I put that matte teal shade on the outer corner of my lid, tapering it inwards. And this is going to give the eye a little bit more dimension. And then I went in with the darker green shade that we put in our crease as well. And when I had the most amount of product on my brush, I started in the very outermost edge. And then when I barely had any product left on my brush, I just tapered it inwards with light tapping motions. And then to clean up the inner part of my lid, I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And I just sculpted out my crease, and then I set everything in place with translucent powder. And then I decided that I wanted to add a little bit of shimmer to the center part, so I grabbed the very last row. I grabbed the foiled green shade and the teal shade, the two foiled shades in the last row, and I pretty much mixed them together, and I just applied that to the very center part of my lid, and I kind of blended it into the outer lid as well. For lashes, I went in with our Sofie lashes, and the link is in the description down below. We are still open and shipping out orders, just to let you guys know and keep you guys updated. So if you want to check them out, then definitely click the link in the description box down below. The style that I'm wearing is Bahama. And then I grabbed that first matte teal shade and I put that on my lower lash line, just going in back and forth motions. And the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. I know that not everyone is super into wearing bright colored shadows, but all of these techniques that I used, you can use the same exact technique with neutral colors. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks for all of the love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!